Yeah, we been like this 모두 다 같이 손 맞은 것처럼 Bang 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 bang.
Hello guys, me K
And Skillet, and welcome back to another reaction. We are continuing on our JYP week. We're getting into day 6.
DAY6.
The band from JYP. So we've got 3 songs of theirs. They're all Japanese music videos. So we've got If, Stop the Rain, and Breaking Down. Requested by Kim Mambin, Thebestdrum, and Yoon Cuts. So thank you very much for the request.
Thank you.
Fingers crossed, not too much editing or any editing's going to be done.
Yeah.
But that is your warning from us. There will be a warning in the description, pinned comment if it comes to it.
Yep.
But we might as well get right into it. So smash it, like, subscribe, any requests down below. First up, If. It's quite loud. Ish. Jay has just left DAY6, hasn't he?
I think like someone else left too recently.
Speaking of him. Quite raspy there.
It is. They're very misty apparently.
Big giant fan blowing behind them.
A fan would be good right now.
You reckon they're down to possibly 3 members?
That could be wrong. I saw someone else leave too.
Yeah, hold on. You're definitely going to be staying still when a train comes through like that, eh?
Well, the thing is, why are you performing on a train track in the first place? It's not your first gig.
It's like all members sing minus the drummer.
Yeah.
But surely he can. Is this still the same song?
It seems like they just flipped it.
Yeah. Trying to figure out this music video, eh?
Yeah. I can't get anything from the title. It's like, if I don't have you, I wish I could get hit by a train.
Sure.
And I'm just flying away.
Go find a nice picture
Yeah.
of that. Yeah, I'm unsure on the music video, but yeah, like you said during it, why are you playing on a train track?
Yeah, especially that it's still active. Like, if it was like run down, well, good, I guess.
Well,
Even-
it could
even
be
sti-
run down because of the darkness and that
Yeah.
here, but I guess adding the train effect coming through, because remember all the stuff was like flying at them. That
True.
could come with like a crash or being too close to a train,
Yeah.
stuff flying at you. Like,
This seems like there should have been a music video for Street Chaos.
in a way, yes.
That's like, I feel like Street Chaos did not have anything like this, and like it just seems like would have been perfect for that video. But
Someone chucked the Sweet Chaos song over this.
Yeah.
It may work. Anyway, thoughts on the song?
it's not too bad.
Yeah, I kind of really enjoyed DAY6's like discography. Like, they've got some great songs in there. Enjoy the like a band rock vibe.
Yeah,
From like, I guess it's way different to what you hear from other groups. So it's
Yeah.
always refreshing to hear something like this.
yeah. I think this is quite different from the Korean stuff.
Yeah,
Like Korean stuff, well, some of the early stuff was a lot softer. I felt.
yeah, but they still had that rock.
Still had that
element,
rock
like,
element, but
yeah,
this seemed more hard hitting ish.
yeah, mainly throughout in a way.
Yeah.
Yeah, the vocalists are really good. Got that rasp
Definitely.
in the chorus from one of the lead guitars at the front here. I know their names, but I can't remember their names.
And then Wonpo?
Wait,
Wonpo,
yeah.
is it a Do-One?
Unsure.
There's definitely Jay. We definitely know Jay.
We know Jay. Yeah. No, I can't remember them too much, but yeah, you can do the maths if you like.
Yeah, we're debating that off screen.
Yeah, no, some great songs though.
There's just something not quite right about that song, and I think it was
I
just-
thought that flipping up for the rap was the part that kind of threw me off a bit. I was like, what? Really?
I don't think I minded it. I think it wasn't much like time to rest. I felt it was just like basically the same way the whole way
It
through.
was just hitting you,
Yeah.
hard hitting you.
So
Fair
when
enough.
that rap came in, I was like, that was like a good change for me, at least.
And then you get on the other end, I probably didn't think it needed it. So that's where you get your
Diverse.
not everyone with the same opinions.
Exactly.
Anyway, we'll move into Stop the Rain.
If we look outside, yep, the rain's definitely stopped from last week.
Stopped from like the middle of the last week, yesterday, this morning.
Pretty much.
Well, he's got a microphone now, the drummer. Maybe he joins in the chorus.
Yeah.
Like, he doesn't normally get many solos.
Yeah. Possibly.
At least they got water in a way. To just stop the rain. He seems to start off, doesn't he?
I think so.
Yeah. Like that tone for this
Yeah.
song.
Definitely.
Imagine played instruments in the water.
It's gotta find a way to short circuit there.
What was that in the background? It's like a high note ad-lib.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder who's doing that.
Maybe the drummer.
He's got to be the main vocal that guy for the rest.
Definitely.
He comes in hard hitting, doesn't he? Hits
Agreed.
you quite hard when he comes in. Like, you pay attention.
Yeah.
Well, he's got the softer vocal, this fella.
NJ.
Yeah, in a way, but he's more softer. Then the hard hitters come in the chorus. When the beat and all that kicks in there.
I don't think you're meant to be part of the rain.
Yeah. Maybe he's out there trying to stop the rain.
Yeah.
It seems like this is a chuck the bridge in the middle of the verse.
Yeah.
Or an instrumental.
Seems weird. Maybe they were trying to stop the rain and then they came part of the rain, I don't know.
It'll come back down somehow. Check out for that guy to go off.
Yeah.
With the rasp and that hard. Oh, maybe not.
No?
Somebody close the gate この雨を止ませるように教えてくれ I do
Here it comes.
anything How could I stop the end There's nowhere left to stay Baby you paid over mine Without you don't really know If I'll be alright The clouds are rushing in Everything fading gray
It's like he's trying to get it rasp in there, right?
Yeah.
Like the other fella.
Yeah, I can match you. Can you?
How long have we got to go? Day6, stop the rain. Stop the rain. That'll do.
Half of him like trying to eat the mic.
Thoughts, Medicaid?
It's a really good song. The only thing is, they lose me with the instrumental.
Halfway through the
Yeah.
song. Yeah, like in the middle of like the verse just started, and
Yeah.
then suddenly bang, it was just into that instrumental. It's
Yeah.
like, wait, what?
Yeah, that's where just where the song loses me. It's like, why? Just why?
Yeah.
Why? I can understand maybe after the chorus, like,
Like, into the bridge part.
yeah,
Yeah.
but not like mid verse.
Yeah, it was a little bit of a strange one. I can understand where you're coming from as well. Like, yes, I can understand it kind of loses me as well. But I don't mind, like, the guitar
I don't.
solo and all
I
that.
don't mind the instrumental. Like that's all fine. Like,
But it just seemed like it came at the most random spot.
yeah,
That's probably the way I put it.
I guess in a way I've never seen it done before. But
True.
but at the same time, it's not a good thing. Like, it's definitely it's something I haven't seen before. So good, credit to them for trying it, but it just felt so wrong.
True. Yeah, it
Yeah.
just felt so off in the middle of a verse.
Yeah.
It was like, hold up, wait, what?
Yeah,
But then the rest of the song's really good.
Exactly,
Like,
yeah.
I enjoy the rest of the song. I
yeah,
love
vocals.
the vocals.
Vocals.
I really enjoyed the part where I said they're going to build it up.
Yeah.
And then he literally just stopped everything
Yeah.
and sung quite high with no like instrumental in the background.
Pretty much, yeah.
I was just like, oh, that did not see that coming. That's kind of what you want sometimes through songs.
Exactly, yeah.
Like, you know something's coming, but if they chuck something so different like that, you're like, oh, well,
Yeah.
catches you off guard.
Yeah,
You
then,
go, oh.
they've probably hit what you're gonna...
Yeah. And I definitely enjoyed that part at the end, yeah. The vocals were on point in this song.
Definitely.
Yeah. Especially, like, they did the wee high ad-libs at the start of the chorus,
Yeah.
the first chorus, but never really came in at the end, did it?
Unless I didn't
Unless I
notice
didn't
it.
yeah,
I don't think I noticed it, but
Yeah.
I'm assuming there might have been still there.
Surely, but yeah, the vocals were definitely on point on that song.
Mm.
Anyway, moving into the last one, breaking down with J at the front.
Yeah.
So if we don't get a good shot, we know we can come back to 0, 0, 0
Yeah.
for the end. Anyway, breaking down. For some reason I thought Jay played the keyboard piano as well.
I feel like he does.
Yeah, but surely they know quite a few instruments.
Mm.
And then the better question is, did they know these before they came to group? Or did they learn how to play them while training as well?
That's a good question.
Jay starting again.
Sort of like Red Velvet, Yuri does not start to sing the song. Well, she might now, but when I saw a video, she does start a new song.
This video's kind of hurting my eyes.
Maybe play on the visual effects.
Oh, I like this vocal. Like he knows when to put it in and when he doesn't have to.
That's a good way to put it. Yeah. Nice when to do it.
So many changes in this music video, like colours and all that. It's just very nice. Trying to focus on one thing.
That's like slightly off-putting. Especially when you're trying to like fit you in one shot.
Good work on this one.
Definitely. I think what we need is a DAY6 guide.
I feel like we've done one for some reason. That's why I feel like we know who I feel like I should know who the members are.
If we have, apologies. If we haven't, request one. Now that's where you put an instrumental.
Yeah, now, at the end
Yeah,
of the day.
exactly.
But after the chorus part,
Yeah.
building it back up through the bridge and then hitting you again at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's better.
That's better.
It's gone back out wide now. Oh, not in it. Too much happening in small spaces.
Yeah. It's like they're trying to break it down into a shot.
Possibly. Must be near the end.
Yeah, keep it like this, but they don't.
Our best shots all the way back at the start.
Yeah, it is indeed.
Yeah. Thoughts, Matty K?
I feel like there was too much going on to really focus in on.
The song?
Yeah. I think when I really liked the chorus, but I don't think too much else stood out.
Fair enough. Yeah. There was so much happening in that music video that,
Yeah.
like I was saying throughout the video, it was hurting my eyes.
Yeah, I think.
Definitely not one I'll be going back to watch,
No.
but it's a song I do go back and listen to.
Yeah.
That's how I put it. I really enjoyed the song. I don't know. There's something about that rock vibe. I guess growing up through my dad listening to a lot of heavy metal and rock and that, you kind of get used to this style. So
Yeah.
yes, you could go, oh, there's so much happening with the instruments and the sound and all that. But to me, that's what you want to hear from a band in a way.
Yeah,
that style.
I don't think I'm not saying that, is it? I just don't think. Thinking back, I don't think the verses were hitting me. The chorus definitely amazing.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think maybe just I couldn't focus in on it
Yeah. There's so much going on. If you went and listen to that off like a lyric video, maybe, or like a
Yeah.
Spotify version,
But
off
for some reason,
camera.
I feel like I do really enjoy the song. So maybe I was just off put by the video, or maybe it just came back to it wasn't as great as I remember. I don't know. It could be either.
I know it's in my favourites playlist, so
Yeah.
I do enjoy it.
Yeah.
But is that all you got on Breaking Down?
Yeah, I think that's all I got.
Almost got it Breaking Dawn. Favourite of the three?
I'm gonna Stop the Rain. Even though it did have that weird instrumental, I think it's the one I enjoyed the most.
Yeah, well, I know I really enjoyed Breaking Down, but Stop the Rain kind of as well for me. Kind of like there's certain parts in that throughout that whole song that
Yeah.
kind of like caught me off guard, and I was like, yeah, I really enjoyed it. So I'll be going Stop the Rain as well.
Yeah.
Anything else? No,
Yeah.
sweet. So I hope you enjoy this Day 6 reaction. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it wasn't edited too much.
Hopefully
or
not.
at all.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. But if it was, like we said, there'll be description and pin comment and all that. But with that out of the way, smash like, subscribe, chuck some requests down there. It's like chuck and some at the same time. Some chums. Chuck some requests down below, and we'll see you tomorrow for another reaction.
And
See you.